In today's video, we are taking this basic, neutral colored backyard, moving it to a much more welcoming, colorful space, and of course, giving our backyard garden a thorough refresh. We are tackling a massive, satisfying backyard reset today because we need to get this outdoor space completely organized before things get truly busy with the baby. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel I share videos about moving to and settling in Canada.
From dreams to reality, this is your moment. Newcomer
Time is ticking, so let's get straight into it. First off, we need to fix the planter situation. I want a cohesive look, so I'm painting all of them in beautiful shades of brown and beige. These smaller ones have actually just been sitting under the deck, gathering dust ever since we moved into this house. And I bought these large black ones from Home Depot. A quick coat of paint completely transforms them and gives us that high-end, earthy look without spending a fortune. With the planters dry, I did a quick run to Home Depot to grab some annual and perennial flowers, along with some fresh herbs. Adding life to these corners instantly changes the energy of the patio. Look at how gorgeous these colors look against the new paint. Next up, I wanted some colorful throw pillows to really make the patio pop. But let's be honest, good outdoor pillows are not cheap. So here is my favorite budget hack. I bought these gorgeous vibrant pillow covers from Shein. To fill them, I used some extra pillows I had lying around, and then I bought some regular inexpensive pillows from Walmart just to use as fillers. And voila, high-end look, fraction of the price. To tie the wall seating area together, I also crafted this centerpiece for the backyard table using some premium artificial flowers. Finally, it was time to refresh the actual garden, and I had some amazing help from my son and daughter. Getting the kids involved makes it so much faster and way more fun. Now, if you're curious about how to start a garden completely from scratch, I actually made a wall video on that last year. So make sure to check that out right after this one. Last year we grew a ton, including eggplant and even broccoli. This year we are scaling it to our favorite. We're growing tomatoes, lettuce, zucchini, bell peppers, peppermint, and cucumbers. I can't wait for the big harvest. So far, we've been enjoying free salad. I'm absolutely happy with the end results. It feels like a completely different space. Cozy, bright, and ready for family memories. What do you think of the transformation? Please let me know in the comment down below which part was your favorite.
This is where we begin. Newcomer journey, step into your story, from dreams to reality. This is your moment. Newcomer journey.
And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home resets and real life in Canada. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.